Welcome everyone to American Airlines Center. Today we have the Dallas Stars taking on the Colorado Avalanche. Should be an interesting matchup tonight. As the starting goaltenders for Colorado is Ivan Prosvetov and Remy Poirier. I probably said that wrong. Anyways, we're gonna get underway. And puck is dropped. Stars win the draw. Nice win by Sagan. Sagan finds Johnston. Johnston finds Tanev. We'll get it across to Ben. Ben will find Delandria. Ty Delandria. Back over to Ben. Jamie Benn walking in and a save by Prosvetov. Oh. What is going on here? There we go. Alright. And now, Pouliot. Up top to Stankoven. Logan Stankoven bringing it in. Takes a shot, goes the fence on it. Now it's McCarr. Carrying it up ice. McCarr takes a hit along the boards. Now it's McKinnon. Across to Cogliano. Andrew Cogliano walks in. Shoots and a save by Poirier. Delandria looking for Dadonov. It's picked off. Here's McCarr. Cale McCarr walking in, shoots and he scores. Cale McCarr puts the Avalanche ahead. And it's 1-0 Colorado. Alright. And the Avalanche lead at 1-0. They win the draw. Good win there by Parisi. Parisi will get it to McCarr. McCarr will find Rantanen. Right up along. Rantanen finds Jones. Caleb Jones walks in, shoots off the goalpost. As Sagan will collect the puck and the Stars will come away with it. Sagan across to Pavelski. Joe Pavelski walks in, shoots, and a save by Prosvetov. looking for land for Branson. Branson tied up along the boards. Coughs up the puck. As it's Dadanoff walking in. Evgeny Dadanoff walks in, shoots, goes wide. Dadanoff. So now it's Tanev. Across, Sagan to Ben. Ben picked off it, and here we go. Nathan MacKinnon in all alone. MacKinnon shoots, saved by Poirier. .47 left in this first period. Here's O'Connor across Cogliano. Cogliano to Jones. Jones. Bank pass across Kovalenko. Kovalenko takes a shot and he scores. And the Avalanche lead it 2-0. So the Avalanche have a 2-0 lead. As the Avalanche win the draw again, O'Connor, Cogliano takes a hit by Ben. Now it's Foxa. Across Hintz. Hintz brings it in, shoots, and a save by Prosvetov. .49 to go. Matt Branson looking for O'Connor, picked off it as it's Foxa. Foxa will find Tanev. Chris Tanev brings it in, shoots, goes wide. Now Ben Robertson. Jason Robertson shoots. Prosvetov to save again. Last minute play in the first period. Stars trail by 2. O'Connor looking for Cogliano. Cogliano gets it up to McCarr, but now it's Foxa who will bring it back in. Foxa drops it. Ben shoots, scores. seconds left in this first period. The Dallas Stars have a 2-0 lead. Or 2-1. Oh, trail 2-1. Sorry. My voice is kind of trying to talk loud, but my voice is kind of giving out. Anyways. 29 seconds left. Avalanche up 2-1 as they win the draw. As this Cavaranta to O'Connor. Dumped in. Box out to Hintz. Hintz across to Ben. Shoots off the goalpost and it stays out. Cavaranta will regroup and he'll hold on to it. That's the second period. Stars trail a goal. So they win the draw. Sagan or Ben Tanev finds Foxa. Foxa across Hintz, shoots, scores. .38 remaining in this second period, and the Stars erased the Avalanche. They erased Colorado's 2-0 lead deficit. It's now 3-2. Here's Cavaranta across Makar to Rantanen. Here's Rantanen. Siv sends it to Makar. Side of the net. Here's Kale Makar. Shoots off the goalpost. Rantanen shoots. And Makar scores on the rebound. This might be under review for goal interference. However, it is a good goal for now. And we're going to see if this is really a goal or not. We're going to take a look at the replay here. So, Rantanen takes the shot. Alright. Okay, it's under. Oh. Okay, so it's under him. Makar sees, so it's kind of under Poirier. But Makar can see the puck. So he gets his stick in there. And he just shoots that ball in the net. Or puck, whatever you call it. So, this might be goal interference. We're going to see, the ref says, the video review, the call on the ice stands. The puck was completely visible. There was no contact with the goaltender. We have a good goal. So the goal will stand. And it is now 3-2 Colorado. Underway. Avalanche win the draw. It's O'Connor. Oh, he fans on that, but he still ends up getting into the car. Then, drops my car to his hands, to his drops in the car on all fours. Now it's Sagan. Drops it. Robertson shoots, and a save by Prosvetov. McCarr finds McKinnon. Oh, he loses it. Here's Ben. He's in all alone. Opportunity to tie this game up. Ben fires it wide. Now Ben. Side of the net. Pavelski out in front. Pavelski fires wide. He also fires it wide. Everyone around him. Finds O'Connor. Finds McKinnon. Back to O'Connor. Logan O'Connor shoots. And it goes wide with that shot. O'Connor. Across. Himaranta. Trying to find McCarr. It's picked up. And now it's Pavelski. Pavelski finds Robertson. He's in all alone. Robertson shoots, scores. Alright, so tied at 3, 4 minutes to go. Colorado wins the draw again. Dallas won the draw. Here's Sagan. Finds Ben. Ben will find... Ben. Nice pass for Robertson. Robertson finds Pavelski, shooting it off the goal post. Oh, it's loose. Here's Robertson. What a save by Prosvetov. Oh, I don't know how he managed to get the glove on that. Down on his stomach. And he denies Robertson. And now it's Tanev. Nice pass to Johnston. Johnston back to Tanev. Tanev finds Robertson. Robertson back. Tanev shoots and a save by Prosvetov. He will hold on to that. .250 to go in this second period. Dallas and is getting lucky out here tonight. Stars win the draw, but it will go out of the offensive zone. As here's McCarr. McCarr beats everyone else for a breakaway. McCarr, it fires that wide. Poirier. Now Now McKinnon sends it back into the offensive zone. So it should have been offside, but I think that should be offside. Ref didn't call it offside. What? Everyone's confused. Rantanen shoots off the post, rebound, scores. And it's 4-3 Colorado. Did I say it was McKinnon? Ladies and gentlemen, the play is under review. So we're going to see. Let's see if. So we're going to see. You can see McKinnon. Oh. So we're looking at McKinnon and Rantanen. Yeah, Rantanen was offside. I think I see Rantanen offside here. After video review, the call in the stands, Colorado was offside, no goal. So McKinnon's goal gets called back. It remains 3-3. All right. So Colorado is offside. So we're going to have a face-off outside the blue line. And Dallas wins the draw. Ben finds Tanev. Tanev chips it up the board. Hins across to Foxa. Foxa across to Johnston. Johnston drops it. Robertson shoots. Pace that up. Goes off of Prosvetov and wide. .34 to go. We're still tied at 3. Hintz. Foxa. Tanev. Takes a hit. Tanev gets checks, and now it's Kevaranta. Float to O'Connor. 1:15 to go. O'Connor. Rantanen shoots off the post. Rantanen. Tim McKinnon. Last minute play in the second period. Across, McCarr shoots and a save by Poirier. Here's Poirier, Rantanen picked off at Foxa. Who slides it up? Oh, picked off again. That was a band on it. McKinnon. Oh, shooting wide. Nearly 10 seconds left to go. McCarr shoots. We got one more period to play. And if Dallas wins, they will pass the Predators in the standings. But however, if Colorado wins, I think they might pass Winnipeg or something. I don't know. Anyways, third period underway. Here's O'Connor. Finds Middlestat. Middlestad looking for McCarr. It's picked off. Here's Pavelski. Across to Ben. Ben. To Robertson. Shooting it wide. Now it's Tannen. Across Johnston. Shoots. Scores. And 4-3 Dallas. Nice win by Colorado. O'Connor to Middlestad. Middlestad behind McCarr. McCarr. McKinnon. McKinnon. Across. Jones shoots. Scores. But no goal. It's waved off. Again. That's the third goal. That's the second goal that has been taken away from Colorado. Let's see what the ref has to say. No goal, Colorado. Colorado goal disallowed, or is disallowed, goal interference, no goal. So with 6:14 left, Avalanche almost had a game-tying goal, but came up short because the refs are just doing their thing, I guess. Now we're going to pace off at center ice. Won by Colorado. Finds McCarr. McCarr finds McKinnon. McKinnon. O'Connor. Shoots. Saved by Poirier. 5:28 to go. Kiviranta. Up to Middlestad. Middlestad. Can't quite get a hold of it. And now Pavelski. To Stankovic shoots, scores. That's 5-3 Dallas. So 4:57 left in regulation. Dallas now extends their 4-3 lead, and now it's 5-3. Kiviranta, O'Connor to McKinnon. Oh, McKinnon. And Colorado's going to be without Trennan for 2 to 3 games. As here's McCarr. McCarr will find Kovalenko. To Wood. Miles Wood shoots. Goes wide. McKinnon. Rebound. Makar. Wide open. Denied off the post. And it'll be cleared out by Pavelski. As Prosvetov goes out to... I didn't hit the timer. Oh my god. Okay, forget all that happened. As Prosvetov plays it, gives it up. Here's Pavelski. Shoots. Saved by Prosvetov. Here's Cavaranta to McKinnon. McKinnon. Rantanen shoots and it's saved by Poirier. .350 to go. McKinnon. Off to Makar. Yep. Makar. Kivaranta turns that over. It's Johnston. Who'll find Stankoven. Logan Stankoven. Across to Robertson. Robertson, Pavelski shoots, scores! Pavelski. .323 to go. Cogliano with the face-off win. Slides it to Makar. Makar finds O'Connor. O'Connor takes a hit. Here's Kivaranta. McKinnon. Across Wood. Shoots. Wide. Oh, McKinnon. And he fumbles the bag. Here's Pavelski. Across Robertson, shooting, saved by Prosvetov. Pavelski, Johnston, picked off. Here's Makar. He'll walk. He's all alone. Walking in. Makar shoots off the post. The rebound. Oh, it was close, but no. Now Kivaranta. Poirier has no time to get up. Kivaranta. And there goes Prosvetov. Extra attacker is gonna be... Oh, if I have Landeskog, I think on the roster, do I? Is Landeskog on the roster? Of course. We're gonna go to do Olofsson. Alright. Cavaranta. Cogliano, Olofsson, Can't get it. It's picked off. Robertson has his chance for the hat trick. He goes wide rebound. Oh, hit the post. Can't get it to go. Ben falling down. Hits the goalpost. Now Kivaranta. Pogliano. Up to McCarr. McCarr shoots post. Goes around the boards. Oh, but it's last play in the third period. Can't get it. As it's Pavelski for the empty net that's blocked. Robertson can't even get to it. Here's Wood to McKinnon. Across to Olofsson. 35 seconds to go. Olofsson back to Wood. Shoots wide. Robertson. One last chance for the hat trick. Pavelski. Oh. Can't get it to go. 18 seconds now. Wood. McKinnon. Slides it to McCarr. McCarr. And leaves the zone. As it's Robertson, he's got one last chance. And he's blocked again. That will do it. Stars win it. 6-3. See you tomorrow, guys.